Hey there, guys and gals. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. I am so excited for this video today because I'm just in a mood to design. I get the design bug and I want to build things, I want to create things, and so what I'm going to do in today's video is I am going to recreate high converting lead capture pages in BuilderAll. Right? So if you have been looking at BuilderAll and you're wondering, man, can I make these really pretty lead capture pages or these high converting lead capture pages in BuilderAll, and can I make them look, just as good as some of the other stuff that is already out there? I'm here to tell you that with a little bit of design savvy, and you really don't need that much. I mean, if you can literally use a template, if you can look at a template and master how the builder inside of BuilderAll works, you can build whatever you want. It's just a matter of learning how to master our pixel perfect builder, which I have grown to absolutely love. So if you want to watch me recreate a high converting lead capture page and build it inside of BuilderAll, then keep on watching. Alright, guys and gals, again, thank you so much for watching my video. This is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly, truly appreciate that. Alright, guys and gals, so let's dive right into it. Today, I'm going to do the format of my video just a little bit different. So what I'm going to do is I want to show you what is possible, okay, when you master the BuilderAll builder and you decide you want to build whatever you want to build, okay? And so I am going to build the actual capture page based on an existing template that's already out there online. I'm going to build it first in real time, and then I'll go back and kind of show you what I did, explain a little deeper into what I did so that you can start recreating some of these things yourself. Now, if you are not inside of BuilderAll and you are looking to partner with a team that not only has experience in affiliate marketing, because I am one of the top affiliates inside of BuilderAll, but I also have the unique advantage that I also have a design background, and before BuilderAll, I was actually building websites and lead converting funnels for clients. I just happen to love affiliate marketing. I love them both. If you want to partner with my team, Team Rise, then I will have a link right below this video where you can activate a 7-day free trial and check us out. All right, guys and gals. So with that being said, let's go ahead and lock in a high converting affiliate opt-in page, which I started doing some research on Google, okay? And there's quite a few of them, okay? We'll put high converting affiliate opt-in pages. So here's another tip, guys and gals. If there's something that you want to build that it's not in BuilderAll, just do this. Just go and grab inspiration from what's already out there. You know what I mean? A lot of these templates, different companies like lead page generators, they kind of have that same look, that same vibe. So you can just get inspiration from this and then go ahead and tweak it to make it your own. Okay, there's nothing wrong with that. So what I'm going to do is I am going to let's see. Let me choose one. Oh, here we go. I had clicked on this one. I really like this one a lot. I don't have an ebook cover that looks just like this, but I think I might have something that looks kind of similar. So we will build a version of this. How's that? Okay, we'll build something that is similar to this. Gonna put a little music so you can see how I build. And yeah, as a matter of fact, let me go ahead and bring this into another window, into my second monitor. That way I'm not flipping screens and I have my, my inspiration in my other window so I can build right from here. So let's go ahead and log in real quickly. And I am going to do what I always do, which is start with a blank template. So I'm going to go to builders. I'm going to go to drag and drop. I'm going to go to new website. And immediately I am just going to go to blank page because that's just how I roll. I think it's just so much easier. So let's go ahead and click on edit, and then I'm going to save it. And then I'm just going to get to work now. Now, I'm not going to put all these little fox symbols and all these things. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to kind of leave that blank. But I'm going to make it look as close as I can to this as possible with the rest of the stuff, okay? All right, guys and gals. Let's go ahead and get started. same, almost the same, right? That took me a full, let's say, 15 minutes, real time. And here's the thing. What I like about Builderall is that what I see is what I get. I didn't need to code. I didn't need to open like a separate panel or anything. I was able to do everything from the same, basically from the same panel, from the same place. And so it's just a matter of learning how to use the builder. Okay, now this video would be super duper long if I was to teach you everything about the mobile and this, that, and the other. But what I wanted to do was I wanted to come as close as possible to this high converting lead capture page, and it's really, really simple to do. So because I don't want the video to be super duper long, let me just go ahead and give you some of the quick rundown of what I did so that you know, you start understanding how to build inside the Pixel Perfect Builder. Okay, guys and gals, so basically all I did was kind of like recreate what was already there, you know? And so that's what I love about Builderall. You don't need CSS coding. It's kind of like replicating a picture in a coloring book. If you can right click and select colors and look for some cool backgrounds and stuff, you can make your Builderall pages look as beautiful as you want, you know, and we have the full capacity to do that. Another thing I love about Builderall is that you can overlap, you know, like let's say for example, these two little areas, these are two different banners. These are banners. You have to contain everything inside banners, right? And so I'm easily able to overlap things on top of banners. Now, there are other programs out there that you have to go and you have to like adjust the, you know, the size of the height or you have to do like a negative or a positive pixel to get this exactly where you want it. And I can just come in here and say, boop, oh, I want to here, ooh, I want to here, I want to here, I want to here. I don't have to open any panels and then add pixel height or lower pixel height in order for this to be exactly where I want. And there are builders out there that limit you as to how far or high or how low you can go with overlapping elements into other things. So, you know, in the beginning, for me, when I started using Builderall, it was almost too much freedom. It was almost too loosey-goosey for me, right? But then when I actually learned the rules of the builder, I'm like, this is better because there are no holds barred. I can create whatever I want. I can literally go out there and look at some of my most favorite layouts and come in here and kind of recreate the same thing. So to me, this looks just as good as this. It looks just as good, you know, and you can do it right in here. Isn't this gorgeous? I think this came out really good. If you liked it, let me know. Leave me your comments below if I did a good job and if you can see yourself doing something similar. So if you guys have suggestions and you want to submit your suggestion for a possible next video that I put on my YouTube channel, recreating high converting lead capture pages using other templates as inspiration, then go ahead and send me a message over at risemarketinganddesign.com. Fill out my contact form and just leave me a little message with a link to the pages, and it may or may not be on my next video. And yeah, I may feature your suggestion on my next video. So anyway, guys and gals, I hope that helps. It's just a matter of, you know, creating different banners to contain your elements, making sure that you establish your font palette from the get-go, which is what I did. I established my font palette. That way, when I went in here to add text, I already knew what my fonts were going to be. And then, you know, just understanding, you know, right-click opens your menu and you can customize the appearance and all that stuff. And I'm not going into, you know, like creating the capture form and the pop-up form and all that stuff. This video would be way too long. But yeah, I hope that you like this. If you did, please go ahead and leave me your comments below. And if you are watching this video and you're like, oh my gosh, I can create anything I want inside of Builderall, and you have not checked it out yet and tested the tools yourself, please go ahead and activate a 7-day free trial. I will have a link right below this video inside my description box, or you can just go ahead and check it out right here. So with that being said, guys, you can create anything you want in Builderall. It's just up to your imagination. And once you understand how Builderall works, you're going to see you don't need any coding. You're not restricted. I was using ClickFunnels and I was stuck. I could only go so high or so low. And then if I couldn't, raise this, like I couldn't just do this, right? I can do this here. I didn't need to know CSS coding in order to do it. So it is very powerful. Once you understand it, you will gain a greater appreciation for it. So anyway, guys and gals, I hope that helped you. If it did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you like these kind of videos, make sure to hit the thumbs up so that I know to create more videos. Make sure to leave me comments so that I know that you like these videos, because if I don't get likes and if I don't get comments, I imagine you guys don't like this kind of video. So yeah, I'll just save it for myself. But anyway, with that being said, if you like this video, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and as always, I will see you on the next video. Bye!